I'm making the easiest baked oatmeal. Start with 3 bananas. Use a potato masher to mash them all completely. You're welcome to leave some chunks if you'd like. Add in some plant-based milk, some cinnamon, a little vanilla extract. Then mix everything together as much as you can. It's okay if it's not entirely mixed. Add in some oats and then mix those in too. We want to make sure all the dried oats are covered. They should be absorbing all of that liquid. Then add in a pint of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. And then about 2 cups of fresh strawberries. Gently mix those into the batter too. You can see that I left the greens on my strawberries because I like that extra fiber. Another thing you can do here as well is add in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. If it were me, I would add in some vanilla protein powder. Then even everything out before we put it in the oven. I want the berries evenly distributed throughout the oats. Take it to the oven. This looks perfect. We wanted it to solidify so that it will hold together once we cut it.